Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is who is coming next or who your next relationship will be. If you are single or coupled up, you can still watch this reading and see if you are going to be with the same person or if a new person is coming your way, friends. And this is, friends, please do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Subscribe, like, and share. I have also started a new channel, Magic Wens Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps of this reading in the comment section, so go and subscribe there. Please do subscribe our channel, friends. Like this video, click the bell icon if you haven't already, so you never miss a reading. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a general and timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it's going to help you out. And let's take a deep breath. I'm super excited. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath. And choose option 1, Perseverance. This beautiful Perseverance card. Take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 2, this beautiful Perception card. Option number 3, Renewal. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. Also, friends, you can also watch the entire video. You can also choose more than one option, friends. So let us see who is coming, who is your next singles, who's going to come your way. Let's see, Perseverance, if you choose option number 1. So this is your romance angels messages. This is the advice for you for your love life. Let's see your cards. 8 of Autumn. Interesting. 4 of Autumn. Nice. The Queen of Winter. Ooh. The Moon. Nice. The 9 of Winter. The Prince of Summer. Lots of cards for you, friends. And the 8 of Winter, and truths be told, number 14. Oh my god, friends, we'll be pulling these extra cards. I'm gonna keep them here for now. Lack of space. Wow, friends, I feel definitely you could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is coming towards you. I also feel a very strong earth energy, Virgo or Taurus. So Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus could also be coming your way. I feel currently, I feel like there are two messages I'm getting here very, very strongly. Some of you are very unhappy with your love life. Very unhappy. You have recently had a breakup or something and you are not happy, or you are single from a very long time, friends. So you feel like left out, or you feel like you're missing out on love. Some of you are very anxious or depressed, or you are very stressed about your love life. You're very, very stressed about your love life. I also feel like you are focusing on building your career, building your learning something new. It's like you have given up hope on love. It's like I don't believe in love anymore. I keep getting that song, Boyfriend. I keep hearing that song. That's why I had to just take a moment to stop talking, because I keep hearing that song. Boyfriend, I want a boyfriend. It could be a girlfriend also for some of you, but I keep, whose song is it? It's an English song. It's a female song. It's sung by a female. Selena Gomez. Just go and check it and let me know in the comment section, friends. A boyfriend. I think the lyrics are, "I want a boyfriend." I want a boyfriend. I think some of you are not happy with your love life. You are like, what's going on? What's going on? I think you're single from 8 or 9 years, or perhaps single forever. I don't know. Nothing wrong with that. Some people are. Some of us are very, stronger, maybe. Or maybe from 9 months, 9 years, 8 years, 5, 3, 4 months, you're single, you're very stressed out. I feel some of you are focusing on your career and your work, and you are trying to learn something new, like a hobby, creative hobby, work, something like you are learning some skills. So I'm getting two messages. I feel like you are not talking at all to new people. You are not opening to new people. That is keeping you stuck in this energy of Nine of Swords. You need to open up to other people, especially if you have never been with someone. You need to open up with other people. Express your gifts. I see like you are not sharing. You are very emotional. You are very sensitive as a person. You are very beautiful. Pile number one, but you feel vulnerable, you don't share much. So who is coming your way, friends? It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, a Virgo, or a Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. You and this person is probably having an age gap. Either this person will be younger than you, or they will be elder to you, 3 4, maybe like 3 4 months, or 3 4 years or more. I also feel like, the person who is coming towards you, they are very romantic. They are beautiful, they are romantic, they are charming. They could meet you through work, or where you study, or in some online group or something. I also feel like this person could be a romantic, a dreamer, and someone very soft-spoken, someone who you work with. They could be your. I feel like a student and teacher relationship, or like a mentor, like academically or professionally, you have a age gap, or different post, boss and senior, doctor and the nurse, the ideal romantic couples, that kind of energy is there. But this person is very romantic, and this person is a dreamer. They are very, very soft spoken, polite, shy. I feel some of you already know this person. I feel, yeah, 50% of you already know this person. You and this person have been talking in the past, maybe as friends or colleagues, or you have friend zoned this person. I feel this person wasn't ready, or even when you meet this person, there will be something. You both are shy. You both are going to be shy in taking the first step. Someone has to take a first step and come out and talk. I feel this person is already in your environment. For others, this is a past person that that is not that this person has not taken the action in the past, but they will be taking a move or making a move towards you. I feel if this is a new person, you both are very shy, and this person, or you will take some time to get to know each other. You will progress this relationship very slowly, but I think you will connect very beautifully with each other, because you both are dreamers, you both are romantics, you are idealistic, you are beautiful. I think you will go on long walks, or long night talks. This person is very, very dreamer. You are a dreamer. You have like similar, you will connect on something similar. It could be art, it could be music, it could be movies. You watch the same kind of movies, you work in the same field, or there is something which will connect you with this person instantly. There will be that instant recognition. It's like instant spark, but I think it will take you both time to trust this connection. And this connection will be very intense for some of you. It is going to bring up your hidden fears to light. It will. I feel our viewers are very strong. You try to cover your strength or vulnerability by putting a guard. Like you just, you're very, you have also very, very how do I say? Pile number one, you are very strong, but like you are also very soft, but you protect your softness by your strength. This person is also very soft, vulnerable, and they are younger than you probably, so you'll want to protect each other. That energy is there. It's very beautiful. It's like you are two kids who are very protective of each other, but you will take time to know each other, you know. It's like I see you both going for a coffee or starting as friends and taking your time. Even if you know this person from your past, you are not going to right jump into this relationship. No, you are both going to take your time. I think this person is still anxious about you. They are already in your surrounding. They miss you. They dream about you. You might also be dreaming about this person or a new lover coming quickly into your life. Truths be told, definitely some masks will be revealed. I think you will also have to open or express yourself better to others to extract a new lover. Also, I feel this person will be coming very quickly to express their love. If they are your, sorry friends, if they are your colleague or something and they have not told you how much they love you, they will be telling you very soon. Number 14, someone is going to propose you or tell you how much they like you or appreciate you. You will say, oh, but this is the quarantine and all. I think you can talk with them online or maybe here in our community on YouTube. I feel definitely in WhatsApp or Instagram, or maybe you already know them so they can DM you right away. Let's see your advice for this connection or your love life. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. I see, friends, some of you are going, luck is on your side. So, yeah, definitely. And this feels like the Cupid's arrow and a sexy, steamy kiss, friends. Ooh. I think a very, very romantic relationship is coming your way. And, I feel luck is on your side, and I feel you might have to take the first step in talking or sharing or saying hello to people, because this love is near you, and you will also have to do something in this relationship. Otherwise, it won't work. You know, I also feel if you are really single, you have to step out and talk to people a little, because you both are here. Look at this energy. You are standing and waiting, they are also waiting, everyone is waiting. It's like, who goes first? Not me, not me, not me, not me. Then who? Darling, it's you. You go first, right? You go first because luck is on your side. So go ahead and say hello. Hello, I want a boyfriend. You should check that song, friends. I think it's a, I don't know why I keep getting that song. Maybe you like it. Maybe you are listening to it. So let's see your romance angels messages, friends. New love, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Absolutely, friends, a new love is coming your way, or it could be like someone in the past has known you, you like that person, or they like you, but they are going to express their love now. I also see some of you, pile number one, you have a crush on someone. You like someone, but you are not telling that person, but you will be telling that person in the coming month. Yeah. Let's see your extra cards, friends, for pile number one. Ooh, what will happen for pile number one? If for singles. Ooh. Let's see. Oh my god, I dropped a card. Here it is. Lightning, control your anger or you'll be sorry. I think, yeah, something is going to. I told you, you are being very overprotective of yourself. So just, no, just, just take care. Don't get angry or upset if someone proposes you. I think pile number one, you guys are perseverant. You guys are very strong. Sometimes you come across as very bold. Star, guaranteed success, friends. Yes, and absolutely amazing love or romance or partnership is coming your way. Trust. A stubborn and aggressive person, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or maybe they are coming towards you. Someone who is very stubborn or aggressive. That's why you may be like, whew, this person is calling me, this person likes me, oh my god. Or you could be very stubborn. Family sorrow, weeping willow. I think your family issues are affecting your love life. Maybe you feel like you are completely or staying in the house all the time, you don't talk, so you have family worries. Maybe if you are a man or a woman, you taking looking after your family, so you are like, I don't have time for love. Vultures, depression, anxiety, worry that someone is against you. I told you, I think this person who's coming is very sensitive, and you both are alike. Like, you're both like, oh my god, will people, Uh, it is like, am I safe? It's like Bambi, Have you seen Bambi? Bambi is like very strong, but when Bambi was young, the deer, they were like, oh God, can somebody protect me? They are very beautiful. Heartache over what you no longer have. So maybe some of you are worried about the past heartache that has happened, that they can hurt you or something, or like people in love only hurt. See, you have other cards also. Let's see. Mountain, major challenge to overcome. So I feel the major challenge for you is that you can believe in yourself. Luck is on your side. You can have the love that you deserve, and even a better love than you deserve or expect. Financial pinch, lobster. I think love will come through work, or if you are a student, through your universities or online. Ring, see, a marriage will take place, either romantic or business. Friends, this is absolutely amazing. You are going to get married, friends, and this is going to be a lifelong commitment. At least there is that chance. There is a guaranteed success. You need to step out, you need to trust yourself and believe that it can happen for you. Otherwise, friends, I don't know what is going to happen, because you need to believe yourself. And that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Join our new channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps of the comment section of this post. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. For those who choose option number 2, the perception card, let's see what is coming, or who is your next lover, your next relationship, and we'll look at it in the detail, friends. This is your advice for your love life. This is your future or the romance angels messages. Let's see your cards. The strength, 1111. Ooh, now that's the way to start, friends. That's beautiful. The high priestess, 2 major arcanas. Perception, high priestess. Ooh, pile number 2, you are intuitive. Very intuitive. You are artist, you are creative, you are very, very soft, you are beautiful, soft spoken, or very gentle energies. The king of spring, 9 of autumn, 7 of summer. The chariot, again, number 3 major arcanas. Chariot, 9 of autumn, 7 of summer, the princess of winter, and new life, number 39. Wow, friends, this is beautiful. So I feel that an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is coming towards you, friends. Absolutely. An Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is coming towards you. I feel like, currently you are trying to heal from some heartache or something, or you are just trying to, maybe you have some health issues right now that you are working on, or maybe you are trying to manifest a relationship. I feel like you're working on something, maybe a health issue or fitness, or maybe you're trying to manifest a lover, maybe you're working or trying to manifest a twin flame. I see definitely a twin flame connection here. So I feel you're becoming very strong. Whatever you are working on, you are getting ahead and better at it. I also see some of you could be starting a new work or something, or you have started a new work or a career and you are becoming very good at it. I feel like Friends, I feel like there are 2 people coming your way, and one of them is coming very, very quickly into your life. If you are single, this person, yes, I feel, yeah, this person is like 2 people are coming your way. One person is already reached in your life. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. One person is already there in your life, or they are coming very, 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 very quickly into your life. This person is a very, they are very inspiring. They are very, very dramatic. They are very good looking. If they are a man, they are like handsome. They are hunk. They are totally the, person you can fall for them. Anybody can fall for them. If they are a woman, she's gorgeous, she's seductive, she has dark black hairs, very milky white skin. I see her. She looks stunning. Yes, she is stunning, absolutely. And friends, trust me, this person has already reached your life, or they are coming very, very quickly, and they are very strong. They are a go getter, and they may come through your work or your business if you have started something, or maybe they are contacting you through your social media, because I see this person is watching your DPs, your pictures, and then they are going to message you. But they are coming very quickly into your life. But I feel like you will have a choice. You will have a choice, because I also see you will have a choice to choose them or not to choose them, because I feel this person, you may doubt this person in some way, or they are very passionate, you are both very passionate, so somewhere you should use your intuition, because I feel like you both are opposites, and this person may come in quickly and go away quite quickly also. So you have to be a little cautious. I also feel someone from your past, or someone that you already like know, kind of know, or you are in a cold war, or fighting is going on, arguments are going on with someone right now. That person is also coming to come into or contact you very soon. But I see, friends, you have to choose someone that values you, because file number two, you're excellent, you're brilliant, you're amazing, and people who are coming, they will tell you that they are much better than you, or they will try to show off themselves to you, like this person, like, see, look at me, baby, I'm gold, look at me. And you are like, yeah, yeah, I know. So I think you have to use your intuition, friends, because there are two people coming, or there may be someone who is a very temptatious, or someone who is very different than you is coming. They will come very quickly into your life, and the connection will become very strong very quickly. But you should use your intuition, because this person may be hiding something, or this person may be like all over the place, or they may be like too much of passion or too much of attraction is there, so you need to stay careful. I also feel like there will be two people coming, so if there is already someone from your past and someone new coming, you will have to use your intuition to decide which is the best person for you. The person who values you and your work and your likes and your dislikes, who accepts you as you are, is the right person for you. I definitely feel a new life is coming for you. You are breaking the old shells, you are breaking away old things. I don't think so you will choose the old or the past person. You are not, because you are not them anymore. You are a different person now. So you want, because you have changed your perception about things, about love, everything is changing, and you want new things in life, new people. Some of you could be relocating or traveling, and that is when you are going to meet. Now you will say, we are not traveling. I can hear you, friends, I can hear you. And look at it, I'm doing this now, you will be watching it later, but I could still hear what you are saying. Okay, so I feel you could meet this person while traveling. I see a airplane, definitely in a plane or somewhere traveling, or maybe in a park or somewhere you go out in the city, you meet this person, and your neighborhood you can meet them. So, but you want new things. You don't want the past thing. But I would say be careful, because you have the high priestess and the strength card. Be careful. Choose the person who values you and who puts you forward rather than themselves. There can be a very steamy, sexy, hot partnership coming your way. And you also need to change your perception, because some of you may judge this person as just a drama queen or a king. Like, this person is full of drama. Are they intelligent? Are they even serious about anything in life? So you may be like, what's going on? Or they could be like the other type. They are very intellectual. They show off their knowledge. See, I have read million books. So you're like, okay, really? So there is that energy of extreme, and things will go like boom 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 boom, so things will go quick, fast. And I see choices. I see you getting a little, what's going on, I don't know, this is too fast, this is a roller coaster. I think you have to use your intuition, friends. Again, I'm saying it. Let's see your advice. A time for healing, balsamic moon. Yeah, definitely, friends. I told you in the start only, you are working on healing yourself, healing a heart, healing your body, your mind, your fitness, or manifesting a new relationship or a lover. It is a time for healing. Definitely, I think you should take some time to heal yourself, and also the relationship coming yourself could be attraction, but maybe this person can help you with your career, with your guide you in the right direction or something. So take some time, take some time. Don't be quick to judge, but use your intuition. Still, I would say use your intuition. Let's see your romance angels messages. Codependency addictions are affecting your romantic life. See, I told you, don't accept someone. I feel like maybe this person is into extremes, or you are into extreme, like this person is a drama queen or a drama king. No, no, but nothing, no judgments here. This is not like I'm judging this person. No, it can be fun if you see this person. It can be fun. They are, not everyone can show off like this, or can be like, so full of energy, so full of joy. But it can it can lead to an addiction. You both can become addicted to each other because of the attraction, or because you just want to be with this person, or they want to be with you, but you are quite different from each other. So you need to follow your intuition. You need to take things slowly. Don't rush into actions. No more procrastinating. Your power comes from making a decision. Confusion that arises from over analyzing the options. See who values you and choose that person. Don't get confused. So, who is coming towards pile number two? Pile number two, who is coming towards them? Ooh, someone from March, or maybe someone whose birthday is in March. Maybe your birthday is in March. Alright, lots of cards. Pineapple, a reconciliation. Yes, friends, someone from your past, a twin flame, or someone or who has a very passionate connection with you. That person could be coming towards you. Disappointment in some affair, but I think again, use your intuition. Should you accept this person or not? Solid foundation, success with effort. Tower, definitely. If someone chooses you and decides to work on a connection, you should accept them. Don't judge them. Time to get out of a situation. I told you, friends, you will have to use your intuition. Again, I'm saying, again and again, I have to say this thing. Sorry for this, but yeah. You have to choose which relationship, because there are choices. Or there will be one person, but you can be with them, or you can choose something new. So it's up to you. I see two people coming. One is already there, or has already reached you, or is already nearby you. Their energy is very near you. Seek out information that will help you. Wine, yeah, definitely. If someone new is coming, I would say ask their friends how they are, what kind of person they are, get to know them. Vacation. So again, I told you, you could meet this person while holidaying, while going to your parents or your aunts or your uncles, relatives' place. March is important, maybe your birthday, their birthday. Throne, position of authority. This person could be a very public figure or royalty. Nest, an emotionally secure, loving family is important. See, I think some of you may accept, this person or from your past, because you want family, you want love. Discord among friends or family, mice, yeah, but Someone can be still not very sure about you, so take care of that. March and August is here, so August is also important, and will great worry over nothing. I feel this person who is coming, new person who is coming, is quite a theatrical person. They are very, happy go lucky. They are a center of attraction, the party people. But I think you shouldn't be worried about them. Get to know them. March and August are important, and we are going into August, so yay! So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot. Join our new channel, Magic Vens Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you choose option number 3, new renewal, let's see who is coming towards you in love. Let's see what's your next relationship. This is your romance angels messages. This is your advice card. And let's see your cards, friends. Let's see. The 8 of summer, interesting. The balance, unity, princess of summer, the Princess of Autumn, Prince of Autumn, the Six of Winter, nice, and co-create. This is beautiful, friends. I see some of you are recently moving on from a relationship, or you have moved on from a relationship recently, or you are just fed up of your love life. You're like, I am tired of being single, it's not going to work anymore, I'm just done being single. But I see it is for like some of you are just moving away, like, yeah, I'm done with being single, I'm done with this relationship, this marriage, bye bye, I'm off to a new start, I don't want it. You feel sad, you feel unhappy. But this change is coming your way. This is coming your way, and your life is about to be renewed in new ways. Your love, your faith is going to be renewed. I see like some of you are spiritual people, our viewers. You are very spiritual, or you are becoming very spiritual, or now you want someone who is more spiritually aligned, or who is more supportive, who is more maturer than you. I feel pile number 3, you keep attracting people who are less mature than you, or whom you have to nurture. You have to guide. They are not guiding you or protecting you. I feel now you are going to attract the new person that's coming your way is someone who is wise, who is mature. This person could also be spiritually very developed, or they know about the law of attraction, they know about spirituality. I feel this person is an engineer, or maybe a scientist, or they study some, they may be into PhDs or higher education, they are going for masters, I don't know, but they're different, they're not like the usual type. They are not someone who does the 9 to 5 job. This is someone who is a rebel in a good way. In a good way. How? Like this person is, they like to travel. They go on solo walks, solo traveling. They have seen life. This person is like, they will carry a bag and go on a trip to a mountain, eat some noodles, make a cup of tea, and enjoy the view there. This is a very different person. They are very intelligent, they are very different, unusual. Maybe they are from a different city or a culture than yours, but they are spiritually very wise, very, very wise. I see some of you are very worried that you did you make the right decision leaving the past situation? Will you find love again if you ended a marriage? Of course, it is a big decision. You may be worried. Will you ever find someone? I think yes, you are going to find someone, and very, very quickly. Your life is actually moving into better changes, better areas, positive light is coming in your life. I also feel the person that's coming your way, they could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or this person could be an Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, you and this person are same age, or you have the same maturity. You both are very caring, very loving. This person will be different from you, but they are very similar to you in the way, like they will support you, they will protect you, and they will help you balance something in your life. You both will help each other balance something, like you are I also feel, how do I say this? Like you're missing out something in life. This person is also missing something in life, and when you meet together, you will be each other's, support. I also feel like maybe if you have not ended a relationship recently and you are like, I have not ended anything. I was single as a pringle. So what is it about? I think maybe this person has ended a relationship recently, or they are moving or shifting or relocating in your city or near your house, and that is when you are going to meet this person. Or maybe you will join a new office, or they are coming in your office or something, or in your company, so that's where you meet them. But you both will together help each other to move forward. This is a beautiful connection. I feel like you both will help each other, and there will be a lot of sharing of knowledge. I think this person will help you become more independent and more of a spiritual person. And I feel you, our viewers, will make this person very grounded and stable about money, about finances, or just stable in life. You will give them emotional stability, they will give you some other spiritual insights or something like that. I think you both will start as friendships, but like best friends, or best friendships, like friends, but then it is going to turn into, over the period of time, into a longer relationship. Co create. Number 40. See, you both are going to create something from this connection. You both, I think, if you are trying to manifest a new lover, yes, you are on the right track, and you are going to attract a person who is also manifesting a person exactly like you. So this is beautiful. I also feel like some of you want someone from your past, and there is a chance they can come back. But you will have to work hard to make this relationship work. If they are from your past, you both need to really co-create in this relationship. You both need to work on this partnership to make it work, because there is this renewal card. So this person could be from your past, but you will have to work. This person has to work to make this relationship. They have to grow up spiritually to make this relationship work. Otherwise, it is for like 10-20% of you, and past person, a relationship is coming back. But for majority of you, this is a new person. Let's see your advice. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Yes, friends, yes, you had been through a very, very tough situations, endings. Maybe a relationship, or maybe life was really tough recently for you, but you are moving ahead, friends. You are moving ahead. Those challenges will be over. You are going to find a mentor, or someone who can guide you, who can help you, who is a reliable friend or a lover. Let's see your romance angels. Wow, you have two. Yay! Separation, time apart from your partner is on the horizon, and playfulness. So I definitely feel some of you have separated from a person, and it was necessary, or it is necessary for the time being. So in the future you may meet them again, but for now, you need to stay in a playful energy. Why? To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. I think you need to stay playful. So, and this person will bring joy in your life. This person, if you are light-hearted and I think you are very stressed out. So don't worry, stay calm, stay relaxed. This person or will bring you a lot of happiness, or together you will create a lot of happiness for each other. Let's see for pile number 3. singles, who is coming their way. Pile number 3. Oh my god, lots of cards. I'll not take them because they all fell out. Pile number 3. Let's see, Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. So definitely this could be someone from your past that you had left behind. Secret admirer was, yeah, there is a secret admirer near you, friends. I think this person is going to share their feelings. It could be your boss, your senior at college or universities. It could be someone you work with, or you are their boss or a senior, and the money path, a path with money is waiting for you. Yes, 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 friends. I think you both will work together, or maybe through work you are going to find this person. Table, hard work ahead. I definitely feel you going out on coffee dates, or you discussing in a cafe or something about things in life. Reconciliation, pineapple. There is a chance the past person may want, or you may want to reunite with them. Deep personal strength and peace that assures success. Yeah, I think the past person and you can work out if they change themselves and take responsibilities. Then that relationship will be beautiful. If not, I see you moving ahead. Seek out information that will help you win. Yeah, I think there is someone asking information about you through your colleagues or social media. Someone is taking, because there is the secret admirer, so someone is keeping an eye on you, a younger woman. This person could be younger than you, man or a woman. It could be a same-sex relationship also for some of you. Moon, change in your life. Positive changes are coming in your life, friends. Well, family wishes coming true. Yes, friends, this could be someone you meet through your family, your cousins, or this could be someone you meet through your common friends or arranged marriage proposals, or this could be someone you end up marrying. That's exciting. Congratulations, friends. What a wonderful reading for you. I wish you very, very happy love life ahead. And do subscribe, Magic Vans Tarot, friends. Do subscribe, like this video, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. Do join our new channel, Magic Vans Tarot Hindi. The link is in the timestamps of this reading in the comment section. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.